Hi guys, let's take a look at a new feature which is just launched in Autodesk Construction Cloud, and this relates to the object table in model coordination. And what has launched, but you've probably not seen it, is that the object table now supports keyboard shortcuts. So if we turn on our object table, you can now use a range of keyboard shortcuts. One is F, which is fit to view, which is really nice. So if you're in coordinator on your model, just click F on your keyboard and it resets the view back. We have, depending on how you're using it, but if you've got something selected within the object table, you can click C and this will allow you to edit the columns, which is really nice. You can also select B, which will allow you to do the groups. So you can click that. So if we've got a selection of groups, we can select B and you can edit the grouping. And some other nice ones, which is the ones where I use most, is the visibility controls. So let's say, for instance, I've got my column selected. You can select V on the keyboard and you can see it's toggling through, turning on and off the particular columns, which is really quite nice. So if you've got something selected, the visibility toggles all rows. If no rows are selected, it will toggle them individually. The isolate feature, really nice. So you can guess what the keyboard shortcut is. So you can have your column selected, select I, and it will just isolate. And then you can toggle through, again, controlling the information as you want. Other ones that are useful, I will put everything in the description, but you've got things for escape, which will deselect all. If you've selected something in the table, you can use the arrow keys to move up and down. Spacebar allows you to select rows. You've got things like shift and click, which is a range select, shift arrow up and down, which will allow you to select multiple. You can see there, you can then start control with the visibility, the isolate. So small little update, but I think will be very powerful in the hands of you power users out there. So join me again on the next video and I'll show you some more updates from across Construction Cloud.